welcome again to the course. You were probably just on the course homepage that looks something like this, and then you went over here and you clicked on modules. And thanks for bearing with me and my slow internet. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of Canvas so that it's not quite so foreign to you. So if you've used the Blackboard before, Canvas is kind of similar to Blackboard, only how you interact with it is a little bit different. So Canvas is set up on these modules, and I wanted to just give you a brief overview. So you can click on these arrows here. I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing, but you can collapse. So week 1, there we can click on the arrow and open up week 1. Each module kind of relates to a week. So and these weeks, I may have some of these weeks hidden while I'm kind of working on them in advance, and then make them available to you. So don't worry if you only see week 1 or week 1 and 2 at this point. And I try and go through and just type in the deadline that each of these weeks is due, just as a reminder. But there's other methods in Canvas that you can use to know when things are due. So let's just take a look at week 1, for instance, right now, and we'll drop down, and you'll see that I've kind of set things up in terms of these kind of sub modules. So there's 1A, introduction, start here, and then 1B, syllabus, 1C, required art supplies, etc. So each week you want to work your way through these, and it's very important that you work your way through in a linear manner, and that's going to be critical in order for you to catch assignments. So these little icons, if you can see here, these icons mean different things. So this little icon with kind of a lightning bolt is a questionnaire. It's also very similar to a quiz, and usually when there's a quiz, there's a little cue. A page that has information on it, such as videos that are posted or instructions for something, will often just have something that looks like a document or a page. Let me see if I can find something else. Anyhow, there's other options. There's some that are assignments. So like this one, set up your profile page. That's an assignment. And you can see that for things that are assignments, there'll be a date that it's due. So in this case, the end of the first week falls on January 22nd. So these things are due on January 22nd. And in this case, it's worth 10 points. You'll see there's a few other things here that have deadlines on them. You can also see those when you go to your course homepage. So if you go to courses, and of course yours will look different. The student view will look different than the instructor view. And when we go to courses, you should see, you can click on a class, and there will be up here, you'll see things coming up. So there's an opportunity to introduce yourself. That is an assignment. It's worth 10 points. Introduction questionnaire worth 7 points. Another assignment to set up your profile name, and photo 10 points, and a syllabus quiz 7 points. If you just click on these, you'll miss. Clicking on these will take you to those module pages, but it's important that you actually go through them in a linear way through the module format. So I hope that that's clear. Oh, one other thing I want to show you here. So let's say we'll click on this brief introduction to Canvas. I wanted to show you how to navigate through the different modules. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I suspect you'll figure it out. But at the bottom of each page, my page is still loading. At the bottom of each page, there will be a next button. So you can just click the next button to move to the next page within the module.